Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Well, today we bring to you updates on Baba Ijesha's sexual assault case. This whole matter started back in June when the camera was planted just to catch Baba Ijesha on camera, as in red-handed. Well, the recent development and judgment over Baba Ijesha's case is that witnesses are scared to witness against Baba Ijesha in court. The prosecution team of Lagos State Government told the Ikeja Special Offence Court that one of the witnesses set to testify against Baba Ijesha, that is Olaraju James, is scared to testify, and then the other one, who is the policeman, has been transferred to another post somewhere in Badagry, and he has to take permission before he's able to leave his post and come down to Ikeja to testify against him. The State Constable, Mr. Yusuf Sule, made this disclosure on Friday while explaining the absence of the two witnesses slated to testify against the actor in his ongoing trial. Well, he said in his words, and I quote, "My lord, the first witness is a police officer. He could not come to court today because he has been transferred and needs to get permission from where he was posted. The second witness could not come to court. He is jittery. He is scared to come to court. My lord, we will ensure that all the witnesses are in court by next week Friday." End quote. This was Mr. Yusuf saying this. Following the submission, Justice Oluwatoyin Taiwo adjourned the case until November 19th for continuation of trial, that is November 19th of this month. On hearing this in court, this sits well with the lead counsel of the embattled actor, that is Olaraju James. The lead counsel, who is the son, Babatunde Ogala, dismissed the claim of the prosecution team of the Lagos State Government that a witness in the ongoing sexual assault case was being threatened. Is of the opinion that no, they are not going to accept this, and this will not be accepted at all. Initially, he was called and told that the police who is supposed to testify against him will not be available as to the fact that he is being transferred, and he agreed on this, saying that they concluded and both agreed that they are going to have a specific date when they will be meeting next, only for them to get to court, and now they are hearing something entirely different from what the prosecutor's lawyer told him over the phone, and this will not be accepted. If any of the witnesses is being threatened, then it is necessary that the DPP, that is the Directorate of Prosecution, should provide a security for such person to secure the person's life if the person feels threatened by anyone or by anything. Not come to court to give excuses based on that. I mean, it is the DPP of Lagos State, and this shouldn't be an excuse on their part at all. In an interview with the son, that is Babatunde Ogala, the lead counsel for Baba Ijesha, he said, and I quote, "The claim that witnesses are being threatened is absolute rubbish. It is close to no issue until the witness's name is mentioned, and we can confirm that the name is on the list of the prosecution team's witnesses. The Lagos State Directorate of Public Prosecution is the prosecutor. So if it is true that a witness is being threatened, the state should provide security for the witness, rather than making unfounded claims in court. The burden of proof is on the prosecution team. The DPP should tell the world whom the witness they claim is being threatened is, and who threatened the person." The DPP's Director of Public Relations, Yinka Adeyemi, called me yesterday and said she wants an adjournment because one of their witnesses has been transferred. I told her it was okay with me, that we would agree on a date for adjournment. I am surprised that the prosecution team then went to court to claim that a witness is being threatened. Let them come to court next Friday to mention the name of the witness whom they claim is being threatened. This was son Babatunde Ogala, claiming that this was not the initial agreement with the DPP. It was initially agreed that it was just one person, that is the police officer, who was transferred to another post and needs a permission before he comes down to Ikeja to witness against Baba Ijesha. But now this new prosecutor they are talking about, who seems to be scared and can't come out to witness against Baba Ijesha, is new, and the name should be mentioned. And also, the list of people who are meant to witness against Baba Ijesha should be checked. If the name of this supposed threatened person isn't there, then something else is fishy about this. Following the submission, Justice Oluwatoyin Taiwo, who is proceeding over the court, adjourned the case till November 19. Well, Baba Ijesha is facing a 6-count charge bordering on the indecent treatment of a child, sexual assault, attempted sexual assault by penetration, and sexual assault by penetration. It may also interest you to know that at least 5 witnesses have testified so far for the prosecution. They include the alleged victim and our foster mother, that is the child involved that Baba Ijesha was said to have defiled, and Princess herself, whose name is Damilola Adekoya, a child expert, Olabisi Ajayi Kayode, a medical doctor, Dr. IREKE Makonjola, and a police officer, Wahab Karim. These are the 5 people who have testified against him for this alleged sexual assault. Recalling that one of these witnesses is a child forensic expert who testified against him, the prosecution counsel presented a forensic witness to the court conducted by Olabisi Ajayi Kayode. So Ajayi Kayode is a forensic interview specialist, a legal practitioner, and an executive director of CCR Child Care Foundation. She said she has over 25 years in child forensic interviews and has worked in different reputable organizations. She said the survivor gave a tenacious and bold report. A flash drive was presented to the court for cross-examination, as at that time Baba Ijesha's lead counsel, Babatunde Ogala, was absent. So Baba Ijesha was not interrogated at all in the court because his counsel was absent as at that time. The child forensic expert also presented a flash drive containing a video coverage of the interview with the survivor. According to Ms. Kayode Ajayi, she said the survivor in an interview told that Baba Ijesha allegedly started engaging her in sexual activities when she was 7 years old. She also recounted an experience at a park where fruits are sold, where the accused, that is Baba Ijesha, inserted his car keys into her vagina. You may also wonder how it is that Baba Ijesha was able to gain access to the child and be able to hang around the child for him to have the ability to do such thing. Recalling in one of the interviews when Princess was sharing her experience on how she met Baba Ijesha and how they became close, Princess said and narrated how she met the embattled Nollywood actor Baba Ijesha before the Lagos State Special Offense in court. According to Princess, she met Baba Ijesha in 2008 at an event, and the two decided to start making comedy skits together. The comedian also claimed Baba Ijesha wooed her in the process of their work relationship, but she rejected his proposal. Princess said she got close to the actor afterwards, especially after her marriage crashed around 2013. Princess also claimed that she invested so much in Baba Ijesha's education, and the actor visited her home thereafter. That is, from time to time he comes around, they hang around, they try to do 1 or 2 skits together. For someone you consider a friend and a colleague, an adult at that, could actually stay around your children. Yes, it is not okay to leave your children around strangers, but Baba Ijesha has left a group of strangers and has become a friend and a colleague, in fact much more than a colleague, and this made her comfortable around Baba Ijesha to actually leave her children around him. No one bargains to be friends with a pedophile, especially when you have little children, little girls specifically. It could be a boy child, it could be a girl child. A pedophile is a pedophile irrespective of the gender of the child. Well, let's be careful around people who will consider friends, family, colleague as well. Well guys, there you have it on the update of Baba Ijesha. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment in the comment section below. Thank you. Bye.